Hi, I'm Jason Davies, and today we're at Enphase here in Petaluma to find out a little bit more about this great company and why they came here in the first place. So let's talk to Christine Bennett here, and she can give us a little story. Hey, Christine.
Hi, Jason.
Hey, well, how long has Enphase been in Petaluma?
Enphase has been in Petaluma since 2006. We were founded in Petaluma and we've been here ever since. We started out actually in downtown. Right now we're located in more the northern end of town. Yes, we've expanded not only here in Petaluma but also globally and needed more space.
That's great. Well, I know a little bit about your company. I know that you're one of the world's largest manufacturers of inverters for solar panels. Can you explain a little bit about what that is?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're the market leader in what's called microinverter systems. So microinverter systems are an essential part of any solar energy array. And so what we do is we do all of our design, all of our research and development here in California, and we also oversee all the manufacturing of our products as well.
And that's all right from Petaluma.
Right from Petaluma.
Okay. So tell us a little about the history of your microinverters.
Happy to. So what you're seeing right here is this is a microinverter. These microinverters go underneath each individual solar panel in a solar energy array. What you're seeing here is our first generation technology. This went commercial in 2008. This is called the Falcon. This is the technology platform behind this microinverter. The next generation you see here, based on our Raptor platform technology, launched in 2010. This was our main commercial product for most of our sales over the last several years. Each generation of technology that we introduce gets more efficient and is able to produce more energy for every single solar energy array that it's installed in. If you look here, this is our main product line that we sell right now. It's called the M215, and that's based on our Corvus third generation technology platform. It is the highest performing, most reliable solar microinverter system in the world.
That's great. Now, for people that don't necessarily know what a microinverter is and why, can you give us a little background on that?
Absolutely. So every solar energy system has two elements. It has the solar panels, and then it has all the electrical back end that makes the system operate and function. So we do not produce the solar panels. What we produce is the inverter. Every solar panel produces direct current energy right from the sun, but it needs to be switched into alternating current, which is what we use in our electrical grid in buildings and homes and businesses. That's the main function of the microinverter.
Great. Well, how many employees do you have? You seem like a fairly large company for Petaluma.
Well, we've grown pretty fast. In 2006, started out with just our two co-founders here in Petaluma. Fast forward 6 years, now there's over 340 employees, and that's globally. Majority of them, about over 300, are here in Petaluma at our headquarters.
Wow, that's great. Well, it's nice to see technology companies growing in Petaluma, and particularly ones that are creating solutions for alternative energy, because we know how important that is. Now, you've been here for some time, and you've been growing. Are you comfortable with talking about sales figures? I'm just curious. What are you currently selling annually?
Well, so we actually just went public. We are now publicly traded on the NASDAQ. In our last earnings, we reported that for 2011, our sales were 150 million. So not too bad for just coming out of a startup phase. When it comes to doing business here in Petaluma, especially for a high-tech business like ourselves, there's really two main benefits. I would say primarily would be the location. We are within striking distance from San Francisco. In fact, we have a lot of our staff commute from the city and various other places around the Bay Area. Plus, you're accessible to Silicon Valley, so a lot of the investment community that has to do with high-tech business in the Bay Area, located in the Valley. So you're close enough to these important business hubs, if you will, but you don't have the similar price tag to doing business.
So pretty affordable office space.
Yeah, much more affordable, and I would say in general it's a very pleasant place to live and work. The downtown area especially, you have a lot of variety in terms of shopping, in terms of places for lunch. It's a peaceful community. It's a very nice location to work in.
And I understand you actually live in Petaluma.
I do. I moved up here once I started working at Enphase.
That's great. Do you have a sense of roughly how many of your employees live here?
I don't have a specific number, but I would say a majority. We have predominantly engineering jobs here. We also have just your regular administrative jobs. But I would say a majority of the folks, of the 300 that are here, actually live locally.
That's great. And it seems that you're continuing to grow. I just, before I came over here, I went up to your website. I noticed there's quite a few openings.
Yes, we are constantly hiring. I say at any given time we have between 20 and 40 job recs open. So if you visit our careers page, there's always options. So here we are at the first floor of Enphase Energy's Petaluma headquarters. This is our engineering department. Take you on a little tour through our engineering department and a sneak peek at our lab. A lot of what we do to develop our next generation technology is take our learnings from the field of our current products and apply them to our new technology.
Companies that are looking to locate in the North Bay, they've got a lot to consider. What would you tell them about Petaluma? What would you say to advise them in terms of thinking about Petaluma as a location for their business?
Well, again, I think it's really the two main factors of the location and the talent pool. So if you're a high-tech company and you're looking to locate somewhere outside of San Francisco, outside of Silicon Valley, where there's a hefty price tag to doing business in those regions, here in Petaluma, you've got space to grow, you've got space to expand. It's a beautiful place to work. You've got Sonoma County, you've got wine country right here at your footsteps, in addition to a lot of high quality, talented folks here if you're looking for any kind of job, be it administrative, engineering, anything in technology.
So you seem very happy to be in Petaluma. Is it safe to say there's no intention to move in the near future?
We are committed to Petaluma. Petaluma is our home. We're continuing to grow here as well as internationally, but for the foreseeable future, Petaluma is where we'd like to be.
That's great. Well, thank you so much, Christine. It's Enphase, great company making great products, technology products, alternative energy products right here in Petaluma. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Jason.